presenting my niece Shehrezade to sing her Corona song.
Thank you. Presenting my Corona song. Corona, Corona, people are getting bored of Corona, Corona. But there are lots of things you can do to cheer yourself up. Like play